So hi, mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. For today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So if you want to know how I got this and talk about my brows, I think it's not even. Stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started! Okay, skincare done. So now, let's get ready. So I'll be using, I just found this in Innisfree. It's the green tea mist. And I love to mist something on my face. It's fine. It smells like green tea. And then I'll follow it up with this Skin Aqua Tone Up Essence. It has SPF 50 plus PA plus. Okay. So try to get at least half a teaspoon of your sunscreen, and since this is a tone up sunscreen essence type, it's quite watery because nowadays we can't wear our makeups and foundation because we're wearing masks. Hubby is cleaning the toilet, so because we're going out. And then just spread it evenly across your face. You know, my sister was asking if she can just use tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen for her sun protection, and I told her it's not advisable because you will not get the right coverage that you actually need. Let me know at the comment section below if you want me to do a dedicated video of sunscreen versus tinted sunscreen, and just using like tone up and regular sunscreen. You see, I started it like quite white, but once it's absorbed to your skin, it's actually good. I mean, it would look, and somehow your skin tone would be even. That's why I like using tone up sunscreens nowadays. So let's do my eyebrows. I had my eyebrow laminated. If you guys don't know what eyebrow lamination is, it's actually literally they're perming your eyebrows to make sure that that it would follow. So it's basically perming your eyebrows. I did like how it turned out, but as you can see, it left like cuts. So I did message Brow House and did ask them whether is it an isolated incident, and they said that not really, which is bad. At first, because I thought because they would tweeze your eyebrows to clean it up, and the technician actually said that it's going to be painful, so I'm going to use their Brow House conditioner for eyebrow. And but then I had cuts. I will be inserting pictures, and it lasted for a few days because the lady did say, oh, don't worry, this one will subside after a day, which is the following day. I did it on a Thursday. Thank goodness I did it on a Thursday, and I was actually on school break, so I don't have to go to work. Can you imagine me going to work with, oh my god. I opted for lamination because it's the least evasive of all, but then I didn't expect that I would have such an experience. So I did message their customer service, sent them some photos, and after 3 days they did come back to me, and then they did say that, oh, because there would be certain customers, I need to make the conditioner dry first, like a little bit, and then I'll follow it up with my Essence Lash brow thingy. So long story short, they did inform me that there were some cases that the customers had reaction, but I don't know whether this is something funny. Now I find it funny, but my family and my friends were making fun of my scar. She said that some of the reactions were not as bad as mine. I was like laughing. And so what they did was they refunded me back the money that I actually paid for, and they said I get it as a voucher, so which is good because I do want to try their threading and tinting service. So yeah, would I get a brow lamination again? I'm still thinking, because I do like how it actually turned out. And yeah, I spend less time now fussing over my eyebrows. So usually I would just use a brow gel with a little bit of tint. I'm using the, I forgot to tell you guys, the Benefit. So I'll do this first, and then I'll just brush it up. And can you see how good your eyebrows, my eyebrows are? They're following where I want them to actually go. So you can still see the mark. Oh, aside from giving me the store voucher, they actually are giving me like a serum so that it would not leave any marks. So later on I'll bring you along with us. I'm vlogging. We're going out with hubby actually, because he's also on leave. Oh, then with the Benefit, I see some empty spaces, then I'll just fill it in ever so lightly. What I was saying, oh, so they're giving me another cream to help with the scarring. They call it ice. I looked it up in their website what it actually does. It actually helps get rid of, like, prevent that you will have this permanent mark, I guess. So they're giving it to me for free, but I'm actually quite hesitant because I have to go back to the same branch. But I love the people at Brow House Wheelock Place. They're quite nice, but again, it's an experience that I actually got like a little bit of scared. I was more of scared than angry that I actually had like that incident, because firstly, I don't want to have like a mark on my face, because I've worked so hard to remove all the pimple marks that I have. And now just because I went for this brow lamination thing, but then again, I do eyebrow waxing, and I didn't ever had a bad reaction. Usually I would have redness, but it would disappear after a few hours, but this was bad. I mean, I had scabs and all. Oh my goodness. Luckily it was like a school break, so I don't even go out. So the first time I went out was last Wednesday, and me and hubby actually went out, and that was the first time I went out in public. And luckily the mark has subsided. It was not so obvious, and it was easily, I can cover it with concealer. And since it's healing, I was not afraid of like putting concealer over it. Wait, Tara, stop. See, this is what's wrong with me when I start doing my eyebrows. I mean, I would just keep on. I like it just because it makes my life easier. I don't have to fuss over that my eyebrows will not be sisters, because I do have incidents in the morning wherein my eyebrows don't look like sisters, not even twins, not even cousins. It's like they're like long lost cousins. Next is I need to clean this up with a concealer. This is going to be a Benefit thing, so I'm using Airbrush concealer from Benefit. This video is going to be long, but let's see. See? Done. So now, need to conceal all those bags. Just put a little bit. Oops. And a little bit under the left side of my nose. Then powder, using this sample size that I got from Sephora. It's from Kat Von D. So underneath my eyes, side of my nose, and then use again the Innisfree Mist for like one more time. The mist is so fine that you don't even feel it. So tap and then fan. Okay. Time for me to change and I'll be back. Okay, so I've changed. So I'm still looking at my eyebrows. Are they okay? Okay, so I did put on some eyeliner and I got the wrong one. The Essence Kajal eyeliner, Kajal pencil. And I put on some mascara using the Charlotte Tilbury. I think this is the fat lashes. Yeah, full fat lashes. And use the Wet n Wild Bretman Rock Jungle Rock lip gloss, which I can't read, but I'll put everything in the description box. So that's it. Hubby has finished taking a shower, so we'll be leaving soon. So if you like this type of video of Get Ready with me, please give this video a big thumbs up. And maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, oh my god, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!